Assessment for 1. Hikers. How much do you usually spend on house cutting? I spend $30. How about you? I spend $15. Movie stickers. 2 movie tickets. How much do you usually spend on movie tickets? I spend $65,000. How about you? I spend $100,000 because I have no snack. 3. Telephone bills. How much do you spend on your phone bill? I spend over $50. How about you? I spend over $25. 4. A meal in a restaurant. How much do you spend on a meal in a restaurant? I spend $200. How about you? I depend on which restaurant I go to.